Hello everyone and welcome to our unboxing of the AccuFab Aris. So this is how it looks like when you receive it in the carton box. Then basically what's inside we will see and find out together. I will open the carton box and then we will find out what's inside. Now that we have removed the carton box, we will find the first layer in the box is a foam layer with multiple accessories. What I saw already here is we have a scraper. So this scraper is used to clean models, the prints from the build plate. Then of course a certificate for the quality. What else we have here is, for example, a blue spatula. So the blue spatula is for removing residue from the resin tank, so that we can make sure there's no resin before switching to a different resin. What else is inside here is a toothbrush. So we have a very soft toothbrush here with which we can clean our prints meticulously in the end. And the last and final thing, of course important, is the power cable to use our printer. Those are all the things we have in the first layer of the box, and we will go to the second layer. So I removed the second layer and there was a lot of foam, but well protected in the middle is the printer already. So the printer comes in a bag and again protected also by an additional layer of foam, just to protect it against scratches. To show you the printer, let's unpack this and show you how it looks like. Now, as you can see, without the packaging, the Aris looks way nicer, right? So this, as you can see also from the size, is way beyond what we have before. Same kind of hood, so we can open it very easily, and then once we plug in, we're ready to go.